Hello. Hi. My name is Hai. I am right. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Where are you from? I come from America. Oh, it's a beautiful country. Do you an exchange student? Yes, I do. How long have you been here? I have been here for 3 months. How many places have you visited in Vietnam? I have visited Hạ Long Bay and Cửa Beach. What do you think about that place? Oh, I see it beautiful and light. Yes, I see it too. Ooh, sorry, I I have to go with friend now. We will talk later. Goodbye. Bye.